to Chinese lesson with Miss Shirley. This is Miss Shirley, and today we're going to be learning about the clothes. And some of the clothes are translated actually directly from the Western words. Like the word for jacket is 夹克. And you see it sounds a lot like jacket because that's how we translate it. So let's learn about clothing items today. So we're going to learn how to say clothing in Chinese. And that word is 衣服. First tone 衣, that upwards 服. 衣服. That's the general term for clothing. And the word for tops is 上衣. 上衣. So the fourth tone like a karate chop for 上. And the top tone, the first tone for 衣, 上衣. 上 actually means up. In this case means the upper half. 衣 means clothes. So it's a clothes you wear on the upper top of your body. 上衣. The word for pants is 裤子. Now, 裤 is the fourth tone. And the 子 is not one of the four tones, but the one that sounds like schwa. And I recommend you try to give yourself a hug when you say it because it will help you to discover what that tone feels and sounds like. 裤子, 裤子, pants. And the word for shorts is 短裤. The third tone followed by the fourth. 短裤. So you notice the word 裤 was used in 裤子 for pants because it actually means pants. And 短 means short. So shorts are the short pants. 短裤. 短裤. And the word for skirt is 裙子. 裙子. Upward second tone and then the hug. 裙子. Very good. And the general term for any type of dress, especially for sundress or the dress you wear to work, is called 洋装. 洋装. One more time. 洋装. Now, 洋 actually means Western. So 洋装 actually means Western clothes because Chinese women didn't wear dresses like this until we started to receive Western influence. So the dress that we think of as dresses is called 洋装. What about an evening gown? A big gown like what you wear to a ball is called 礼服. 礼服. 礼 means manners, or it could also mean presents. 服 means clothing as well. So it's a dress you wear for a very important event where it requires good manners. 礼服. 礼服. And for those of you who have little girls who are obsessed with princesses, the princess dress is called 公主礼服. 公主礼服. So, 公主 means princess. 礼服, as you know, is a big gown. So, a princess dress is called 公主礼服. Shoes. 鞋子. 鞋子. Shoes. That's a generic term for all types of footwear. They are all called 鞋子. Shoes. Pajamas. 睡衣. 睡衣. And you're probably beginning to pick up the word 衣 and also the word 服. They both means clothes. And 睡 actually means sleep. So 睡衣 literally means sleepwear. Pajamas. 睡衣. 睡衣. 帽子. 帽子. It means anything that you wear on your head, whether it's a cap, whether it's a hat. We call it a 帽子 Socks 袜子袜子 Gloves 手套手套手 means hands 套 means covering. So 手套 is the covering for the hands, hence gloves. 手套毛衣毛衣毛衣 sweater 衣 again means clothing. 毛 actually means something that's made of wool. So a piece of clothing made of wool is sweater. 毛衣围巾围巾 second tone, first tone 围巾 So this is scarves. Scarves 围巾围巾 Hangers 挂衣架挂衣架 This means something to hang your clothes on literally. 挂衣架 Hangers 连身裤连身裤 This means jumpers, jumpsuits, or overalls. Basically, it's the type of pants that goes from the top to the bottom. So, 连身裤连身裤 To wash clothes, laundry 洗衣服洗衣服 If you remember, clothing is 衣服 and 洗 is to wash. So to wash clothes, to do laundry, 洗衣服 Suits 西装西装 西 means Western, 装 means clothes. So 西装 means Western clothes. That's what a suit is. We have imported the concept of suits from the West. 西装 A dress shirt for men is 衬衫衬衫 This is specifically for a dress shirt for men. And if women has one of the shirts that's imitating the dress shirt in men's style, it could also be referred to as 衬衫. It is a specific style. 衬衫 And the tie is 领带领带 So third tone, fourth tone 领带领带 Tie actually means something that's a long-shaped thing, like a belt, and like a scarf, like a thin scarf. And 领 actually means the collar. So this is a little belt you tie around your collar. 领带 the tie. As I mentioned earlier about sometimes a term is specifically translated directly from the Western world, like jacket, 夹克 jacket, 夹克 So this is specifically referring to this particular type of clothing. So a coat will have a different word. Jacket, 夹克 And what about a coat? 大衣大衣 It means big clothes. 大 means big, as you learned from other modules. 衣 means clothing. 大衣 is the big coat you wear over your other clothes during the cold day. 大衣 What about all kinds of clothes that functions like a jacket or a coat, something you wear over other clothing to keep you warm? You can call all of them 外套外套 外 means outside, 套 means covering. So that basically referring to the outer layer of clothing you wear over other clothing to keep you warm. 外套 So that covers all the clothing items we're going to cover during this unit. We are going to review all of the vocabulary now with a slide. Clothing, clothes, 衣服 clothes, tops 上衣 pants 裤子 shorts 短裤 skirts 裙子 dress 洋装 gowns 礼服 princess dress 公主礼服 shoes 鞋子 PAJAMAS 睡衣 hat cap 帽子 socks 袜子 gloves 手套 sweater 毛衣 scarves 围巾 hangers 挂衣架 jumpsuits overalls 连身裤 laundry 洗衣服 suit 西装 dress shirt 衬衫 ties 领带 jackets 夹克 coats 大衣 general terms for coats 外套 I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson on clothing items. You can find a Chinese 成语 Chinese idiom story linked below that is related to clothing. And I always enjoy introducing related items together, such as a Chinese idiom that does talk about clothing to the vocabulary for clothing. And there's also another related unit to that same Chinese idiom. It is about the sky and the weather. So check it out and let me know what else you'd like to know. Comment below and let me know if there are particular types of vocabulary or sentence structure or topics you'd like for me to cover. And like the video, subscribe so you will not miss a lesson. And looking forward to see you next time. Chinese lesson with Miss Shirley. I can speak Chinese, so can you.